Welcome back, Love Nation. This is Nina. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to everybody that has been coming to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and hit that notification bell so you know when I drop my next one. Tonight, you guys, we are going to be doing a Jussie Smollett update to this never-ending case. But hey, if you got money to fight this in court, then more power to you. First, I am going to refresh you guys on when he was first sentenced and then getting bailed out the pokey after 6 days. So please watch this refresher video. This literally had went viral at the time, and we are literally about to go into 2024 and we are still talking about the Jussie Smollett case, you guys. So again, there was a lot of major updates this Friday. And like I said, we're going to get into all that after we do a very quick flashback to when he was sentenced and his courtroom outburst. I'm about to play it now, you guys, and come back with my commentary.
No, I would just like to say to Your Honor that I am not suicidal. That's what I would like to say. Okay. I am not suicidal. Okay. I am not suicidal. I am innocent, and I am not suicidal. If I did this, then it means that I stuck my fist in the fears of Black Americans in this country for over 400 years and the fears of the LGBTQ community. Your Honor, I respect you and I respect the jury, but I did not do this. And I am not suicidal. And if anything happens to me when I go in there, I did not do it to myself. And you must all know that. I respect you, Your Honor. I respect your decision. Jail time. I am not suicidal. I am not suicidal, and I am innocent. I could have said that I was guilty a long time ago.
Okay, so you guys just saw that flashback. I still laugh looking at that. Um, Honestly, he's lost the respect of a lot of people in public, which is very unfortunate because, like, literally everybody was watching Empire when this happened, and the two brothers that he hired have literally gone on to expose him, and they are living their best lives, making money off of this situation, which, in all fairness, is truly, truly ironic at this point, as it seems like the two brothers involved in the situation, which Jussie Smollett put together, has more of a job security than he does. And he's the only one that was convicted of charges concerning this hoax situation. I remember this very vividly. This literally happened several years ago. I think it was 2019 when the polar vortex happened. I remember that it was absolutely freezing cold, and this is the same night that he claimed all of these things happened. So let's just get into this update. So apparently, the Appellate Court in Illinois upheld the conviction, which is a part of the appeals process. Now, he can appeal this next to the Supreme Court of Illinois, and while he appeals it, he will not be in the pokey. So there's no telling how long this process might take. We might be looking at least another 6 months unless they reject it right away after it's filed. We'll be looking probably at another 6 months. The crazy thing is, I know he's fighting. I understand he don't want to go to jail, but I mean, honestly, it is what it is. But like I said at the beginning of the video, once you got money, anything is possible. I get it. You want to fight for your freedom, explore all outlets because yes, you can afford it. But, keep in mind a lot of, I guess anybody else would have had to serve their time. So just take that however you want to take it. Anyway, I am going to read this article to you guys just so you can get the full update. This is courtesy of the Associated Press. And again, this was breaking news coming on to this weekend. So I want to go ahead and get this out because we've actually been following the Jussie Smollett case since the beginning on this channel. So I just wanted to go ahead and put this current information out. And I will be coming back to make another video after we hear if the Illinois Supreme Court will or will not hear about this case, which will force him to go back to the pokey. So, like, share, subscribe, you guys. I'm about to get straight into this article. Thank you, everybody that's been coming to this channel, and please hit the thumbs up and share this video. Let's get into this article right now, you guys. We're going to get straight into this article concerning the Jussie Smollett update, and this is courtesy of the Associated Press. They are saying that the appeals court upheld the disorderly conduct convictions Friday of actor Jussie Smollett, who was accused of staging a racist and phobic attack against himself in 2019 and lying about it to the Chicago police. Jussie, who appeared in the TV show Empire, challenged the role of the special prosecutor, jury selection, evidence, and many other aspects of the case, but all were turned aside in a 2-1 opinion from the Illinois Appellate Court. Jussie Smollett had reported to police that he was a victim of such pawpawing by 2 men wearing ski masks. The search for the attackers soon turned out to be an investigation into Jussie Smollett himself, leading to his arrest on charges that he had orchestrated the entire thing. Authorities said he had actually paid the 2 men whom he knew worked on Empire with him, which filmed in Chicago. Prosecutors said that Jussie told the men what slurs to shout and to yell that he was in MAGA country, a reference to Donald Trump's presidential campaign slogan. The jury convicted Jussie Smollett, you guys do remember, in 2021 on 5 felony counts of disorderly conduct, a charge that can be filed in Illinois when a person lies to the police. He now will have to finish a 150-day stint in jail that was part of his sentence. Jussie had only spent 6 days in jail while his appeal was pending. Lawyers for Smollett, who is black, and GAY have publicly claimed that he was the target of an unjust racial system and said that people were playing politics. We are preparing to escalate this matter to the Supreme Court, Smollett's spokeswoman, Hallie Baird, said, referring to Illinois' highest court, and also noting that the opinion at the Appellate Court wasn't unanimous. Appellate Justice Fredrina Lyle would have thrown out the convictions. She said it was fundamentally unfair to appoint a special prosecutor and charge Smollett when he had already performed community service as part of a 2019 deal with Cook County prosecutors to close the case. It was common sense that Smollett was bargaining for a complete resolution of the matter, not simply a temporary one, Lyle said. Special Prosecutor Dan Webb was appointed to look into why the case was not dropped. A grand jury subsequently restored charges against Jussie in 2020, and Webb concluded that there was substantial abuses of discretion in the state's attorney office during the earlier round. Smollett was not immune to a fresh round of charges, Appellate Justice David Navarro and Mary Ellen Colan said in the majority opinion. The record does not contain any evidence that prosecutors agreed Smollett would not be further prosecuted in exchange for forfeiting his bond and performing community service. And you guys can click on this attached site for more reference concerning this Jussie Smollett situation. Now we are literally going into 2024, and he is still out on appeal. Just to let you guys know, he still owe them about 144 days or so in the clink. I'm going to continue following this case. So basically, if the Illinois Supreme Court either upholds this or I guess refuse to take this case, he will be immediately reprimanded to go straight back to jail to finish his 150-day sentence. What do you guys think about this? Like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, enjoy your day. Good night, guys. Bye.